This video will show you how to replace the map sensor on a Pontiac Grand Prix with a 3.8 liter engine. This will be located along the top passenger side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To gain access to the map sensor, we're going to have to remove the upper engine cover. To remove the upper engine cover, we have to remove the oil fill inlet tube here. We're going to remove the entire tube from the valve cover. Take hold of the tube, turn it counterclockwise, and remove it. A thorough inspection of the seal. This one looks good. We'll set it aside. Now we can take hold of the upper engine cover. We're going to carefully lift it up along the front and then pull it straight forward away from the rearward mounting point. We'll set that aside. With the engine cover out of the way, we can see our map sensor just in front of our vehicle's alternator. Let's start with the electrical connector. This has a locking tab along the top. Lift up and dislodge the electrical connector. Once you have it disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion. If you see any, it needs to be taken care of. This looks good, so we'll set that wiring aside. Now to remove the map sensor, you're going to find that there's two locking ears holding it down. We're going to gently separate the two and then lift the map sensor up and out of position. Just a little wiggle here. There's our rubber seal. And there it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we're going to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. We're cleaning inside of the circular port and inspecting our two locking ears here. We want to make sure those are in good usable order. Now it's time to install the brand new map sensor. Looking along my rubber seal, I've applied some silicone paste as a lubricant. Let's get this in place. We need to make sure we have our electrical connector facing straight forward. We're pressing it down. We're listening for an audible click from each one of our two locking ears. Double check to make sure it's secured and does not fall out of place. Now it's time for our electrical connector. We've already inspected it. Line it up with the locking tab facing straight up, press it in, listen for our click, and make sure that's secured as well. One last quick inspection in this area and we can reinstall our engine cover. As far as the engine cover, we have one locating tab that's going to slide into that bracket along the back side. Now we can rest this down along the front. Now we have our oil filler neck. We're going to start with this towards the left, and we'll start twisting it clockwise towards the right. Once it's fully locked in, just make sure that the oil cap is secured as well. Okay friend, we finished the installation of the vehicle map sensor. The next thing you have to do, if you had a check engine light, reset it. Run the vehicle. Make sure you have no check engine light and no running condition. Close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.